So C1 and C2 were subluxated on him. C1, C2 subluxations would cause things like a headache, sinus congestion, dizziness, vertigo, or just neck pain. Alright, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. We're going to do a little Y-strap adjustment here. Okay, this is not your first Y-strap adjustment. So what I'm going to have you do is slide down a little bit. Good. And then you're going to place your hands right here and kind of brace yourself. Yep. And lift your head up gently. Drop it back. You hook them in like this. I do not suggest trying this at home. And certain conditions you would not want to do this for, like somebody with a disc extrusion or a fissure, a disc fissure. But this is traction in a way. Y-strap is traction. It's manual traction. Now below him we have this table here that does mechanical decompression. So it pulls out, it comes in 25%, it pulls out. It works on a computer system. This again is manual. So the difference between traction and decompression is done with a computer, traction is done manually. Okay, so we're going to just gently pull with about 10 pounds, and we're going to slowly increase to about 40 pounds of distraction. And we're going to hold it for about 40 seconds. And he may feel a release or a little crack or a pop. Let us know if you feel any of that, okay? Just kind of wave your hand and you may feel a little release there. If you're wondering what that crack is in your neck or your back when you hear it crack, I did another video on that, what the crack is. Don't get addicted to the crack, okay? Trust me, it's not what you think it is. So we're going to just go ahead and release. That crack is gas. It's kind of like a spinal fart. Okay? In a way, it's releasing gas from the joint. So that's what I mean by a spinal fart. That's just a term I made up. Don't Google that. How you doing there? Good. And then we slowly release. So we did that for about 40 seconds. We're prepping him a little bit. And we're going to adjust him afterwards as well. We just did some flexion distraction for his lower back. He's doing really well with his lower back. All right, how are we doing there? Okay? Good. We're going to increase the tension a little bit. Good. Another thing is you want to make sure there's no numbness or tingling or pain shooting down the arms when you're doing this. You didn't have any of that, right?
No.
And now we're going to do it again here. And brace yourself on the table there. Good. Feel any releases?
Yeah.
Yeah? Drop the head back gently. Correct C2 right here. C1 right here. Relax yourself. You having a headache today?
No.
Any dizziness?
No.
So C1 and C2 were subluxated on him. C1, C2 subluxations would cause things like a headache, sinus congestion, dizziness, vertigo, or just neck pain and stiffness. And relax yourself here. All right, you're all set, champ.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody.